Hello, welcome back. So I'm going to share with you an idea that I had for one of our new products with 31. It's actually in our spring capsule. We have the spring cute little capsule that is available February through April 30th while supplies last. Okay. So this is one of the totes that is in this new capsule. This is called the Get Outside Organizer Tote. You can see it here in the gingham print, and then I have the spring floral print. Now there's so many ways that you can use this tote, okay? 31 kind of markets it as a gardening tote. So we have some garden tools, like a toolkit that is in this collection. And you can put those in the little pockets there. But I actually used this as an overnight tote, and it was perfect. So I'll share with you some of the features of this tote and then how I used it, okay? So you've got the little handles right here. So it's just a little tote. You carry it from room to room, or, you know, when you're outside gardening, you can carry it with you to and from. But you've got 3 pockets here. So 1, 2, 3. You've got mesh pockets on both ends, okay? And then on this side, you've got 2 pockets here. Now, if you were going to add personalization, your personalization would be right here on this tote. Now, you guys can see it's an open tote. There's no closure here. But this, what I love, is it has these little bungee cords right here. So if you were using this as your toolkit, you could put your gardening tools through here and then use the little bungee straps to secure your tools. Now, I use this, as you can see, as an overnight bag. So I have my hairbrushes here. So I just clipped my little hairbrushes through there because sometimes our hairbrushes take up so much room in our makeup bags and things like that. So I love having a pocket for those. And then over here on this side, you can see that I have my dialed in phone purse. So you guys know this is our dialed in phone purse. It's a crossbody. I've got that crossbody strap wrapped around there. I carry a dialed in phone purse with me when I travel. Okay, I keep one in my car at all times because just in the glove box, because, you know, if you go to a game, you know, a kid's game or something like that, you don't want to take your purse in, but you need your phone, you need a card, you need a little bit of money. So I love that. Well, here, I'll just show it. So I love that. So this is the dialed in phone purse. And then on the back, you've got card slots here. You can even, you know, stick your cash back there. And then this could be used for sunglasses, or it could be used for your phone. And you've got that crossbody strap. So this is the dialed in phone purse. So I take that with me when I travel because, you know, when you're shopping and things like that, you don't want to have your, you know, your heavy purse with you. And then on the inside, you guys can see that I have my Glamour case, my hanging traveler case. I have the garden gloves because I wanted to talk about those. And then I have the Essentials portfolio there, organizer. So on the inside of here, I have my Glamour case. This is full of my makeup. You guys, I'll link above my video on the Glamour case and the hanging traveler case. I don't travel without these items. So the Glamour case is what I keep my makeup in. Oh, here, I'll just open this up too. So these are little wristbands. If you don't know what these are, put these around your wrist. And when you're washing your face, you know, water won't run down your arms. Love that. So I had a pack of 4 from Amazon. I'll link those below. And so I keep one in my travel set. This is actually my travel set. Keep one upstairs in our bathroom. So, but anyways, this is the Glamour case, okay? And then the hanging traveler case. So love the hanging traveler case. I'll just open it up really quickly and show you how I use this so you guys can see. So I have, you know, knick-knack things in here, and then the bottom, you guys can see that I just have a ton of stuff in here. So this is the hanging traveler case. So I have that on the inside, and then I also have this is the new Essentials portfolio organizer. Now, like I said, this collection was kind of advertised as a gardening, you know, thing. So like seed packets. This could also be used for coupons. I use it as a snack bag. You guys know me and my daughter, we love snacks. So I cannot travel. I have to have snacks with me. I have to have liquid IVs in case I get a headache. I have to have Propels just for everyday water that I drink. I can't drink plain water. I just have to have something in it. And then I had, you know, gummies and peanuts and things in here. So this thing opens up. So you've got a little zipper right here. So you've got a section to store things back here. You've got a zipper pouch here. So I'll open that up, zipper pouch here, and then a zipper pouch there. So you can put your seed packets in here, but I put all my snacks in here. And so this was just the perfect little caddy for me when I was traveling. So I love this. I just think that it was the best. I will continue to use it when I travel because I just think it's just the best. So you guys know about our customer special, right? Our 50/50 special. For every $50 that you spend, and you get a 50% off item. So we're always gonna pair products together, right? We wanna make a great solution set for you. So when you travel or when you're going to and from, that you have exactly what you need. So if you get the hanging traveler case and the Glamour case together, you qualify to get a half price item. So you could get the Get Outside Organizer Tote as your half price item, okay? You could also get the Essentials portfolio and then our gardening toolkit, and you qualify to get a half price item, so you get that. Also keep in mind about our gardening gloves too. These are like a suede print here, and then the print to match your tote here. So there's the gingham print as well. But there's a small, I think a small medium. I'm a small medium. A lot of people don't know this, but I worked in the operating room for almost 8 years. So if you're a medical professional, I was a size 6.5, 7 in a glove. If you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know, right? So this the gardening set. So many ways that you can pair your products. Just play around with your cart. You're not going to mess anything up. Add this, and this, and then see what your cart's going to just give you the best deal. So you're going to get the most expensive item in your cart as your half price item if you have $50 in your cart first, okay? And then also check that pink bar at the bottom of your cart to see how far away you are from a customer special, okay? Because sometimes some people are like $1 away. I'm like, oh gosh, you were really just $1 away from having a half price item of your choice. So I hope that you love this. I hope I gave you a little bit of another idea to use this Get Outside Organizer Tote for your daily life. So you can use it as a gardening tool or gardening kit, and then, you know, use it as a tote in your car, or, you know, for travel. So many ways that you can use our products. I'm just here to give you ideas, right? So if you're shopping and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'd love to be your girl. So I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook. Just click to answer the 2 questions, and then I'm gonna send you back a private message. So check that message request folder, check that spam folder. If you're just not seeing my message back to you, then go to my personal page on Facebook and click message, like you're gonna send me a message, and you'll see my message to you there. So hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group if you don't have a consultant. So if you're interested in the business opportunity or hosting a party, we can definitely chat. I'm here to answer your questions and help you however I can. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you'll get a notification when I post a new video. All right, have